Hey there, Michael Church, Crawlspace Ninja. We got a great question from Rocky Mount, North Carolina. How do you keep the pipes from freezing in an open or encapsulated crawl space? Stay tuned. Okay, Duncan, I know you're from Canada, and you guys probably have 6-inch walls up there to protect you from that super cold weather. But down here in Tennessee and in North Carolina, they just throw up 2x4s for our walls and block foundation for our walls. And then they cut a hole in the block and they let all that cold air just rush right into the crawl space, right? So how do you keep your pipes from freezing? Well, with an open crawl space, the only way I know how to do it is to put insulation around the pipes. So you're gonna do it yourself, go to Home Depot, Lowe's, get you some insulation, put around those pipes. They even make some heated ones that you can wrap around the pipe if you're gonna keep your crawl space open. But guess what? If you decide to invest in encapsulating your crawl space, that's gonna keep the air, the cold air, out of the crawl space all winter. So you don't even have to worry about that cold air coming in, especially if you use our R10 vent sealers that I'm going to put down below in our description. So you can buy those, you can shove those in the vents, you can spray foam around them so you're keeping all that cold air out, and you've got an R10 termite resistant foam board protecting the vents, so you're keeping the thermal, you got the thermal barrier to keep that cold from transferring into the crawl space. Then you put that foam board all up and down the walls, and next thing you know, you've got a conditioned crawl space. If your heating and air ducts are down in the crawl space, whatever heat you're running your house on typically is the same heat your crawl space is going to be. So if you're a 65-degree person, your crawl space will stay at 65 degrees when encapsulated and insulated properly. Everybody requires different R values, so check with your local code to see if an R10 is good enough for you there in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. But that was a great question. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.